Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa MK4 Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa MK4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is a highly regarded DIY 3D printer designed for both beginners and enthusiasts who enjoy assembling their own machine. It comes as a kit, providing users the opportunity to learn the printer inside and out while building it. The assembly process is well documented and fun, making it ideal for those interested in hands-on learning. This printer features automatic first-layer calibration, which ensures hassle-free and consistent printing without manual bed leveling. It supports silent printing thanks to its 32-bit electronics and Trinamic drivers, making it suitable for home or office environments. The MK4 Malawian Kwachas includes a removable spring steel print sheet, allowing for easy print removal and reduced damage to completed models. The printer uses a robust direct drive extruder and supports a wide range of materials including PLA, PTG, ASA, and more, offering flexibility for different projects. A sample filament is included, so users can start printing right after assembly. Its build volume of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, 250 by 210 by 220 millimeters, provides ample space for medium to large prints. The printer also includes features like power loss recovery and filament runout detection, improving print reliability. Its open-source design allows for extensive community support and easy firmware updates. In summary, the Prusa MK4 Malawian Kwachas kit is a beginner-friendly yet powerful DIY 3D printer. It delivers excellent print quality, ease of use, and strong community support. With features like automatic calibration, removable sheets, and versatile material compatibility, it's a great choice for users who want to understand their printer from the ground up while enjoying reliable and high-quality results. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 SE is an upgraded DIY 3D printer designed for beginners and hobbyists looking for fast, accurate, and user-friendly printing. With a printing speed of up to 250 mm per second, it offers significantly quicker prints compared to earlier Ender models while maintaining reliable quality. One of its key features is the CR Touch auto leveling system, which simplifies bed leveling and ensures optimal first-layer adhesion without manual adjustments. Combined with the dual Z-axis and a sturdy Y-axis dual linear rail, the printer maintains excellent stability and smooth movement during high-speed prints, reducing layer shifting and improving overall accuracy. The Sprite Direct Drive extruder enhances filament handling, especially for flexible materials like TPU, and enables more precise extrusion. The printer also includes auto filament loading and unloading, making it easy to swap filament without hassle. These features make the Ender-3 V3 SE both powerful and beginner-friendly. It has a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, which is suitable for most standard prints and creative projects. The printer arrives semi-assembled, with most components pre-installed, making the assembly process quick and straightforward. Creality also supports an open-source ecosystem, giving users the flexibility to upgrade and customize their printer as desired. Community support is strong, with plenty of online resources, firmware upgrades, and printable mods. In summary, the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE is a well-balanced 3D printer that combines high-speed printing, stability, and ease of use. With features like CR Touch auto leveling, the Sprite extruder, and auto filament handling, it's an excellent choice for users seeking an affordable yet powerful entry into 3D printing. Number 3. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a high-speed, user-friendly 3D printer designed for hobbyists and professionals seeking fast and reliable performance. With a printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, it significantly reduces print time without sacrificing quality, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and large projects. This printer features an all-metal hot end that supports printing at temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing users to work with a wide range of filaments including PLA, PTG, ABS, TPU, and even high-temperature engineering materials. The robust build ensures consistent extrusion and longevity, especially during high-speed or long-duration prints. A standout feature of the M5C is its 7x7 auto-leveling system, which precisely measures 49 points across the print bed to ensure a perfect first layer and reduce print failures. This automatic calibration makes the printing process more reliable and eliminates the need for manual bed adjustments. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, the M5C offers ample space for most personal and professional projects. It also boasts multi-device control, allowing users to manage and monitor prints through a smartphone or computer using the AnkerMake app or software. This enhances convenience and makes remote operation easy and intuitive. The M5C has a clean, modern design with an intuitive user interface, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced users. Despite its high-speed capabilities and advanced features, it remains relatively easy to set up and operate, with helpful online resources and support. In summary, the AnkerMake M5C is a fast, versatile, and smart 3D printer that balances speed, precision, and ease of use. Its high-temp all-metal hot end, advanced auto-leveling, and remote control options make it a powerful tool for creators who want efficiency and professional results in a compact package. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact, high-performance FDM 3D printer designed for beginners and experienced users alike. It stands out with multicolor 3D printing support, when paired with the optional AMS light system, allowing users to print vibrant, complex models with ease, something rarely found in printers of this size and price range. One of its key advantages is its fast and easy setup, ready to print in just 20 minutes out of the box. This makes it incredibly beginner-friendly, eliminating much of the typical learning curve. Despite its small size, the A1 Mini delivers high-speed printing with excellent precision, making it ideal for hobbyists, designers, and makers who want quality results quickly. The A1 Mini also features full auto calibration, handling tasks like bed leveling and Z-offset adjustment without user intervention. Additionally, its active flow rate compensation dynamically adjusts the extrusion in real time to improve print consistency, especially at high speeds. This printer operates quietly at just less than or equal to 48 dB, making it suitable for use in homes, classrooms, or offices without causing disruption. Its compact build is space-saving, yet it delivers excellent performance, especially when paired with Bambu Lab's user-friendly software and mobile app for remote control and monitoring. Though its build volume is modest compared to larger printers, it's well-suited for smaller projects, toys, functional parts, and artistic models. Community support and software updates from Bambu Lab add further value to the overall experience. In summary, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a feature-rich, quiet, and compact 3D printer offering multicolor printing, quick setup, automatic calibration, and precision at high speeds. It's ideal for anyone seeking an easy-to-use and reliable machine with professional-grade results in a small footprint. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit, MP07825EU, is a professional-grade, user-friendly 3D printer designed for educators, students, and home users. Known for its reliability and ease of use, the Replicator Plus is ideal for classrooms, makerspaces, and anyone who values consistent performance with minimal setup. This printer features the Smart Extruder Plus, a swappable print head that enables quick, seamless replacement and is optimized for fast PLA material printing. It delivers consistent results while reducing downtime, and it includes sensors to detect filament runout and print completion, making it suitable for educational settings where reliability is critical. The Replicator Plus comes factory leveled, meaning it's ready to use out of the box without the need for manual bed adjustments. It also includes a flexible build plate, making it easier to remove finished prints without damage or tools. These features reduce the complexity of the printing process and increase the success rate of prints. With a build volume of 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, it offers ample space for medium-sized projects, prototypes, or classroom models. The Replicator Plus works well with MakerBot's proprietary PLA filament, which is designed for safe, efficient printing in educational and home environments. The printer is also supported by MakerBot's software ecosystem, including MakerBot Print and mobile app options, which allow for remote monitoring, file management, and streamlined workflow integration. Its connectivity features include USB and Wi-Fi, offering flexible options for sending and managing print jobs. In summary, the MakerBot Replicator Plus is a dependable, easy-to-use 3D printer designed for fast, safe PLA printing. With features like the Smart Extruder Plus, factory-leveled build plate, and user-friendly software, it's a strong choice for classrooms and creative professionals looking for reliability and simplicity in a desktop 3D printer.